Now after that amazing workout, let's talk about nutrition. Now today I'm going to make you a green smoothie, a smoothie you can make on your way to the gym or right after your workout, or you can take that in the car right before you hit the office. All right, so basically all we need for our smoothie is our green apples, avocado, mint, and cucumber. Very easy to make. All right, so now let's get straight into it. So we have a blender, our cucumber, good for hydration, good for weight loss. Avocados, high in protein and carbohydrates. You need that energy to take you through your workout. You have our apples, and have our mint. And honey for taste. And there we go. Need a little ice. And we blend. And we blend. Okay, so there we have it, green smoothie ready to be served. Get your glasses up, join me, and let's enjoy this beautiful glass of green smoothie. Now, thank you so much for joining me on yet another interesting episode of Homefit. I'll see you guys next week. Stay blessed.